Good morning, everyone. This is a large old butcher's knife that a neighbor brought me yesterday to sharpen. And I think it's a good example because it's kind of rusted and tarnished. And I want to test it out on my new 200 grit splash and go water stone here with the red backing plate. I haven't put any laser on here yet, just got it stuck on there last night. And so I think what we'll do is start sharpening, and then we can look at the bevel and see how much work it's doing and how fast it's cutting and so forth. So I just put a little bit of water up there, and it's just sitting up there. It's not splashing. So I think we'll start on the right side of the bevel. I'll just put it right on there and we'll start going. And it's got a 8, 9, so that's about 10 strokes there. And you can see just even those 10 strokes are just cutting right through, and there's some grind marks. It looks like the last time it was sharpened was probably with a belt sander. So you can see those belt sander marks, and then the smooth flat surface from the stone. So the stone's cutting pretty quickly. Let's go ahead and do a little more. And we're getting a lot of metal deposits in the surface of the stone, so it's definitely cutting the metal. You can hear it. Look at that big bevel. This is a cool knife. I think it's been sharpened a lot over the years. Old. That point. And let's see what we got here. Wow, it's cleaning it right up. And it's cutting right through the. Yeah, in this area you can still see a few scratch marks from the belt sander, but it's cutting rapidly. Yeah, just keep going. Get that inside corner there. So this is a very coarse stone. This is 70 microns, so it's a big particle. You can feel some of the grit rolling around on top, and it's meant to be friable. It's meant to have that grit come up like that. All right, so let's do the other side. You can see it's still got that old patina. Hadn't been sharpened in many years. I like high carbon steel. Okay, let's look at that. Yeah, it's cutting right through. There's a lot of metal to remove. We got to get down through this pitting and scratching and, you know, really thin the bevel out. And I think it's going to take a great edge though. Feels like a cutlass, like a pirate's curve, huge curve. So it just rinses clean, nothing sticks at all. Cleans right up.